Understanding, Build a Ramp, an English language learning guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, build a ramp. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can really help you in various contexts. So, let's get started and explore what it means to build a ramp. Build a ramp might seem straightforward, but it's packed with meaning. To build refers to the act of constructing or making something. A ramp is a slope or inclined plane for joining two different levels, like in a building or on a road. Together, the phrase implies creating a sloped surface to connect two levels. Literal meaning, in its most basic sense, build a ramp means to physically construct a ramp. This is often seen in construction, architecture, or when making spaces accessible for wheelchairs. Figurative meaning, figuratively, to build a ramp can mean to create an opportunity or facilitate a process. For example, introducing a new policy in a company that makes it easier for employees to advance could be seen as building a ramp in a professional context. Let's see how this phrase is used in different sentences. 1. Literal. The city decided to build a ramp at the main library to improve accessibility. 2. Figurative. The new training program was like building a ramp for the employees to reach their potential. Understanding the context is key to grasping whether the phrase is used literally or figuratively. It's easy to confuse build a ramp with just physical construction. Remember, in English, many phrases have a dual meaning, both literal and figurative. Recognizing the context will help you understand the intended meaning. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, build a ramp, in English. Whether it's constructing a physical ramp or creating opportunities, this phrase is a great example of how English can be used in versatile ways. Keep learning, and you'll find English full of such interesting expressions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.